Every year, Maplewood Elementary held the Weird Talent Show. This year, Ravi entered with a strange talent, sneezing on command. "No way that's real," said his best friend Tina. On stage, Ravi sniffed a feather, tickled his nose with a blade of grass, and achoo! He sneezed 5 times in a row. The crowd roared with laughter. But then something unexpected happened. His sneezes were so powerful they blew off the judge's wig, sent paper flying, and tipped over the trophy table. Everyone froze. Then the principal stood up and said, laughing, "Congratulations, Ravi, you sneezed your way to first place." Moral: sometimes the weirdest talents are the ones that stand out.